President Draupadi Murmu addressed the National Students' Convocation of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India in New Delhi. Addressing the event, President said that the Institute of Cost Accountants of India has been a partner in the country's progress as it provides highly valuable support to policymakers, central and state governments as well as to various organizations in developing cost-efficient strategies, systems and manuals. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla inaugurated the National Conference of Estimates Committees of Parliament and State UT legislative bodies in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Speaking on the occasion, he said that the estimates committees have played a crucial role in improving governance efficiency and driving administrative reforms. He also noted that there have been numerous instances where these committees have made recommendations for citizen welfare, with nearly 90% of them being implemented. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh released a book titled Wings to Our Hopes Volume 2 in New Delhi. The book contains speeches delivered by President Draupadi Murmu between the period of August 2023 to July 2024. Speaking on the occasion, the minister said that this book will inspire the people to work towards achieving the goals of Viksit Bharat. Information and Broadcasting Minister Ashwini Vaishnav and Minister of State Dr. L. Murugan also attended the function. Minister of State for Science and Technology Dr. Jitendra Singh said that the last 11 years have turned technology into the engine of India's growth story. Addressing a press conference in New Delhi on scientific achievement, the minister said in 2014, there were only 50 biotech startups, which has increased to more than 10,000 startups. He also highlighted the crucial role of science, innovation, and governance reforms in shaping a new India. Indian shuttlers won 27 medals at the Asian Para Badminton Championship 2025 held in Thailand. The medals include 4 gold, 10 silver and 13 bronze, registering the country's best ever performance at the event.